Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be on a new foundation review. I'm really obsessed with foundation. You can call me a foundation junkie. I love to try new foundations. This is new in the market. This is from One Size brand. This is by Patrick Starr, and this is called Turn Up the Base. This is BBB cream. This stands for Beauty Blur Balm. This comes in 18 shades, and my shade is Light 3 Neutral. I'm just going to talk about this foundation briefly. The All Tint All Shade Be the ultimate blur boss with buttery, bouncy, smooth skin texture. Be gone. Applied to clean, primed, or moisturized skin. And yeah, this comes in 30 ml. It retails for $43 Canadian. I'm really excited to use this foundation. It has a moussey texture. It's very fluffy. Yeah, I'm really excited. So if you want to see how it looks on my skin, I have dry skin. If you don't know, just keep on watching. I'm going to use this Marc Jacobs Youthquake cream, which is really one of my favorite. I really like it. Before any foundation, I do have my SPF on this morning. It's really early in the morning today. I never film it this time, but I'm off and my kids are sleeping, so let's do this. It's an interesting packaging, so I'm gonna squeeze a little bit on my hand and see. Okay, I'm gonna start with this much here. I'm gonna take a little bit of this foundation. And I'm gonna try this side. It's a little bit dark for being light, I think. Let's see. That's a beautiful coverage. I'm gonna do my forehead. The coverage is beautiful. For me, I feel like it's a high medium coverage, almost full coverage foundation. So this is the foundation side, and this is no foundation. Looks really, really good. I'm really happy about the coverage. It looks stunning on the skin. I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit more just to see how beautiful it looks on the skin. It's full coverage. It's a soft matte / natural finish. This is what the foundation looks like from up close. Looks stunning. I am back and it's almost 6:50 in the morning. I just finished my makeup. I did really something simple. This is how the foundation looked like. It's looking really, really nice on the skin, you guys. It looks so natural, but yet you have the coverage. It doesn't look cakey. It's not too matte either. So I only set my under eyes and the T-zone a little bit with powder, but I will show you quickly what I used. I used Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer. And I also used my Laura Mercier powder. I used cream bronzer from Chanel. And I used this duo from Kosas. This is a cream blush and highlight. And this is in the shade 8th Muse. I also used a little bit of this Dior palette for my highlight. And this is the 002 Glitz. I'm happy about the coverage and how it looks on my skin at the moment. So we will see, and I will check with you guys in a few hours. Hey guys, I am back and it is 2:05 at the moment. I just sat down to film and update you guys about this foundation, and this is what the foundation looked like. I'm really happy with the way it looks on my skin. I've been wearing it for 8 hours and this foundation hasn't budged or moved. I did wear masks today as well. Because when I'm home, I usually go shopping. What the foundation looked like, I did not touch up anything, not even my lips. I just quickly ate, and yeah, this foundation lasted for a long time. And I did wear my KN95 mask, if you're wondering which mask I used. The thick, you know, they're very tight here. They leave a mark on my skin, so I just waited a little bit until my face was back to normal and to film this video. So yeah, I did not see any budging. This foundation just lasted beautifully on my skin. It looks amazing. It didn't fade anywhere. It didn't settle into my smiling lines. And I did a thin layer of this foundation. I used my usual stuff so I can test the foundation. So yeah, I'm really happy with this foundation. It looks amazing on my skin. I do have dry skin. I thought I was gonna hate it. If you guys enjoyed this review, please subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.